water. Oh wait, I'm gonna get you something. Here, put this in your hair.
Thank you.
Let's see here. Where's the bee bird?
The hummingbirds? Where are they?
See, I'm so near again.
Hmm?
I'm so near again, drinking it.
Oh, the ants?
Yeah.
Yeah, I see them.
What is this?
Onions. You like onions? Have a bite.
But that's dirty.
It's clean.
Yeah, no.
You don't like onions?
No.
You can put it back in the pot.
Right here?
Yeah.
How
Want to see the pepper? Let's see the green peppers right here. See? It's growing. It's still a baby. Don't take it off. Look at this pepper right here. That's a jalapeno.
That's a
Baby jalapeno.
How about we find more?
Let's see.
There's none in there.
No, there's nothing in there.
Come on.
You want to go out? Okay, you go first.
Look at this one though. This one's tinier.
Yeah, it's tiny. It's just now coming in.
All these ones about to grow big.
Yeah, they're about to grow big.
Okay, let's find another one.
Another tomato? I don't see any more, sweetie. You harvested all the tomatoes. Welcome to the Garden Channel, family. Sorry. I have little Trinity here, and she's harvesting tomatoes and eating them right off the vine. And now she's enjoying. That's another tomato. It's just green. You can eat that too. She loves tomatoes, and she did a beautiful harvest. Say hi to the YouTube channel. Say hi.
Hi.
Say welcome to the channel.
Welcome to the channel.
All right. All praises to the Most High.
I got this tomato.
Remember to always do your best. Be blessed and garden with your grandbabies. All praises.